up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my July mini mystery bag of awesome. So without further ado, let's jump right into what awesome things I got this time. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. They have their logo. I know it's upside down, but you know, that's the way I cut the bag, so we're just going to roll with it. All right, so they always put in a activity sheet of fun things for whatever the season is. Looks like they have some seashell kind of things. So summer, in other words. Does it say summer? No, it just says July 2022. Awesome. All right, so let's set that aside and let's just pop right into what we have in here. I'm just gonna, you get 3 items, guys. So this first item here is moisturizing makeup cleansing wipes. Okay, Spa-scriptions. They are really pushing this brand. Well, this brand is really pushing themselves through this company. Let me rephrase that. So I'm happy to have these. I have a couple of products from this company and I really like them. So that's awesome. Ooh, a magnetic hook. I'm not mad at that. That's pretty awesome. Okay. I mean, I know you can buy this kind of stuff in the stores, guys, but I just don't think about buying it. So I'm actually quite happy to have this because I'm going to put this on my refrigerator. So, you know, you can put like your keys and things like that on there. It'll be really nice. Okay. So what is this? Tool A-long boot. Oh, it's a multi-tool. Oh, here we go. So it's a butterfly wrench, a hex wrench, 4 positions, a hex wrench, 2 positions, and then a cord cutter, a flathead screwdriver, and a bottle opener all in one. Where's the flathead screwdriver? Like, where's that at? Let's see. Flathead screwdriver is E. Oh, it's right there on the heel. Look at that. Okay, right there in the heel is the flathead screwdriver. That's pretty inventive. So, I mean, this is fine. I will probably just throw it in my car or something like that. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. But, you know, it's not something that I would pick up or anything like that. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up the video. You get 3 items in this one. I am going to start getting the, what do they call it? Oh, I forget what they call it. I think it's called their Max bag or whatever. Anyways, I'm going to not upgrade. I'm going to, in addition to this bag, I'm going to get their mega bundle or whatever it is they call it. I think it's $35 a month because I really like what they're putting in these, even though this isn't, you know, I'm not wooing about it, but it's not bad. I mean, I can totally use it. So at any rate, yeah, I'm going to be getting the bigger one. So you're going to be seeing that here very soon. I think I signed up for it. I'm going to double check and make sure I did. If I didn't, I will, and then you guys will see it very soon. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my July mystery bag of awesome. Well, it's mini mystery bag. Oh, hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? This, too long of a wave. Try it again. Oh, it's on.